Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we have a strange one for you on the channel. It's going to make sense here in a moment, but this is take 2 of Everyman Jack Beard Balm. So stay tuned after I roll the intro. I'm going to tell you exactly why I said take 2. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that weird little intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, take a look down below. Alright, should be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on it, do whatever you gotta do, knock subscribe out the way, and you're gonna feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright guys, as you saw by the opening and everything else, we are gonna take a look at Everyman Jack's Sandalwood Grooming Beard Balm with tea tree oil. Now, as I usually say at the end of all of my videos, you know, we here in the channel believe in redemption and second chances. Well, I filmed a video for this that was about 15 minutes long, and I was just tearing into them. Then I did a little bit more homework, and I felt kind of stupid, because my mistake on this video the first time affected another video, which I have to reshoot too. So this is the Everyman Jack Sandalwood Beard Balm, take 2. Alright, now if you're unfamiliar with Everyman Jack, these are very affordable products that are out there in the marketplace for like men's grooming. Now, I have brought 2 to the channel before. One I think is a victory, and that is their beard oil. One I think is a complete and absolute failure for me was their beard butter. Take a look right up top. You're going to find a card to every single beard hair skincare product we've ever brought to the channel. They're both going to be sitting in there, and I want you to make up your own choice. Now, you can find Everyman Jack at www.everymanjack.com. Now, I love the fact that on their website, they say they strive to bring a naturally derived formula and recyclable packaging at an accessible and affordable price to the marketplace. I like that. I really, really do. Because if you're into recycling, normally it jacks the price when you put in there, we have recyclable products. Everyman Jack seems to keep things at a low, affordable price. Now, they are cruelty-free, 50% PRC, which is post-recyclable plastic, like consumables, something like that. Basically, 50% of the plastic in this container is made from recyclable plastic. They are gluten-free, vegan, vegan-friendly, phthalate-free, which I think, honestly, is just a little salt that they put into something to help strengthen the bond. They're dye-free, paraben-free, made in the USA. Great. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, the cuteness factor is running wild. She just had to say hi. They do have 4 distribution facilities out of Minnesota, Cali, Vermont, and Texas. Now, I know, it's a whole bunch being thrown at you, alright? I love giving all that info because if you're a first-time viewer and you... Okay, guys, those of you familiar with my channel know the camera just took a dump. So, as I was saying, it comes in a little 2-ounce tub, or for, you know, my English cousins, 56 grams. Now, you can find this at your local Wal Mart for 10 bucks, on everymanjack.com for 10 bucks, or on Amazon for $10.99. Now, on Amazon, it's rated 4 out of 5 stars with 3 reviews. Here's my slight problem. On Everyman Jack, you have... Okay, here we go. 3rd time's a charm. Camera took a dump again. As I was saying, on everymanjack.com, you have to be a registered user in order to see reviews. Now, between you, me, and the lamppost, I do not want to register on every single website and get useless emails full of junk, full of promotional stuff that I'm not going to use, just to see what people think of your product. That's just me, and that's my little, okay, what the hell, guys? Now, I like the fact that on Everyman Jack, they're constantly updating their products and everything else, but across their home screen, instead of we won these awards, we're featured here, we're featured there, now it's they are the official grooming partner of Tough Mudder. Good on you guys. I know. You guys are going, okay, what are the ingredients? Can I film this? There's the ingredients. But if you're like me, you're kind of curious. So it's got shea butter, beeswax. Now here's my problem. It's ingredient number 3. Cetyl alcohol. Alcohol does not hydrate. Alcohol does not nourish. Alcohol does not promote healthy whatever. Alcohol dries things out. Doubt me, dump some rubbing alcohol on you, or go talk to your weird Uncle Billy who loves vodka way too much and see how he feels after an all-night session with a bottle. Safflower seed oil, sternyl alcohol. So that's 2 in the top 5 that are alcohol. I'll get there in a moment. Lanolin wax, jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, whatever you want to call it. Silica. Now that one right there is the one that made me go on a rant. When I read silica, I thought they were abbreviating silicone. No, they're not. Silica is found naturally in your hair and helps promote hair growth. So silica basically is a safe silicone that you can ground down that's okay as long as you don't ingest way too much of it. So that's where I made my mistake, and that's where I'm having to reshoot this video. It's got vitamin E acetate, tea tree oil, rice bran extract, rosemary extract, sunflower seed extract, and fragrance. Now I know you're going, what's the fragrance smell like? Well, it says sandalwood with a touch of vanilla. That's exactly it. I smell more so the vanilla today than I do the sandalwood. But normally when I put it on, it's no problem. I can smell the sandalwood. It's a great smell to it. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big, huge Balm guy, and I've used it a couple times already. Alright? It emulsifies great. And basically it just means you get in there, get your thumb, scrape out however much you think you need for your beard, because everybody puts on different amounts. Get it in the palm of your hand, rub it together until it turns to a liquid. So emulsify, basically you're taking it solid down to a liquid, you work it into your beard. It's going to help nourish your beard, it's going to help strengthen your beard, and it's going to help give you a hold. And you just brush it out or comb it out, whatever works best for you. And it gives you like a medium hold with this one. Now there's some balms out there that are like, you're spraying shellac on your face, and your beard is stuck right there. Not with these guys. It's got a great scent, it goes on wonderful, and it has a pretty good smell. Hold on a sec. Hey, Brianna? I'm going to do the wrap up here in a moment, okay? So keep it quiet for just a moment, all right?
Wait, I'm going to play with the Paw Patrols.
Okay, play with the Paw Patrols. Those of you who are, familiar with my channel, you know all about the cuteness factor. So I'm going to call this one a win. I really am, because I do like it. I'm not a huge Balm guy, but I do like this. I've used it about 4 times since I've had it. I mean, it's in the rotation because I'm only, I think, got like 3 balms. Yeah, I think 3. So it's in there whenever I want, a woodsy smell to my beard. So, here's the important part, guys. I know I've given out, pretty much the usual information that I do, and I'm going to rewatch this, and hopefully I didn't ramble too much. But I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below. I want to know, do you guys use Everyman Jack? Have you used their beard balm? What are your experiences with it? Good, bad, ugly, whatever. I want to know them all, because this is the 3rd that I have personally used, and that means 2 wins, 1 loss. I've got one more video to film here in a second. That is their beard and face wash. And honestly, I've got 2 of their body washes upstairs that I've been using, and then at some point I'll film a review on just to complete the Everyman Jack circle of life. But now let's get into that wrap up.
That's what's in the shower.
Yeah, baby.
I thought that was Auntie Christine's.
No, it's not Auntie Satan's. You're fine. Okay.
Hey, Auntie Christine.
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, let's go and do the wrap up. Man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this weird one. Alright, I know everyone has their own personal opinions on stuff, and I'm just some random guy on YouTube giving you mine. But I also know that your time is your most precious commodity, and I'm very, very grateful, trust me, I am, that you gave me some of yours, and I hope I've earned more. Now, for you first-timers that didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who haven't done it yet, here's your second chance at redemption. I believe it's down there. It's either down there or down there in that corner. Okay. Yeah, I think it's down there. Whatever. It's going to be one of the 2 corners, man. It's early, and I have yet to be able to have my Mountain Dew. By the way, Liberty Brew is awesome. No, I'm not sponsored by Mountain Dew, but if any of you guys out there are watching and want to give a poor YouTuber a break, like I said, it's been a little early, so it's going to be one of the two corners, big channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. Man, after you've knocked that out the way, go ahead and click on that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Good question. That's because it's going to let you, my amazing viewer, know every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be, I think it's going to be on that side of the screen. I think it's going to be on that side.
Chase.
No, on that side. Yeah, whatever. It's going to be on one of the two sides, all right?
Humor.
Don't make me think. It's early. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my channel that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Well, there we go, guys. My look at Everyman Jack, the Sandalwood Beard Balm. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day today.